In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix images not loading in Yahoo Mail. If you're opening emails and seeing blank boxes where pictures should be, this walkthrough will get images to appear automatically in your inbox while still keeping your spam folder protected. Start by opening your web browser and going to yahoo.com. This works best on a desktop or laptop, so the settings are easy to find. Once the page loads, look toward the top right and click Sign In. Enter your login details securely, and if your browser offers to save them, only do so on a device you trust. After you're signed in, click the mail or envelope icon at the top right to open your Yahoo Mail inbox. Inside Mail, look to the upper right corner for the gear icon, which is the settings menu. Click that to open the quick settings panel. In that panel, you'll see a link labeled More Settings. Click More Settings to open the full list of options on the left side. From the menu on the left, choose Viewing Email. This section controls how messages look and behave when you open them. Now scroll down the page until you find the option called Show Images in Messages. This is the setting that determines whether pictures load automatically when you read an email. Select the option that says Always except in Spam folder. This choice is the best balance of convenience and safety. Here's why. Many email images are hosted by external servers. Loading them automatically can save time and make newsletters, receipts, and updates display correctly. But in the spam folder, images can be used for tracking or might not be trustworthy, so Yahoo keeps them blocked there by default. With this setting, your normal mail shows images automatically, while suspicious messages in spam remain restricted. Once you've selected Always Except in Spam folder, your change is saved right away. Go back to your inbox and open an email that previously showed missing pictures. You should now see the images load in line without needing to click any prompts. A quick note on expectations. If an individual sender has removed or blocked their own image hosting, or if an email includes attachments that weren't embedded as images, this setting won't change that. But for the vast majority of everyday emails, this will solve the problem. That's it. Your Yahoo Mail is now set to display images automatically where it matters and stay cautious where it doesn't. Thanks for watching and enjoy clearer, more complete emails.